Just get into that now?
We just got into it.
Okay.
So, just got home. It's Saturday. Had some things I wanted to do, like, as a family today. Taylor told me he wasn't gonna be working. He put on his work clothes this morning and I asked him, what are you doing? I thought you said you weren't working today. And he said, oh, I'm just gonna go move some dirt. Get home, walk into the backyard, and this is what I see. And I asked him, what are you guys doing? And he goes, oh, Brad came over.
What's up? Welcome back to Dude Dad. In this Reno series, you're gonna see us tear up the whole backyard, get rid of this old slab, put in a new slab, put in new sod, build a retaining wall, and build a super awesome covered porch with an outdoor kitchen. Hang on to your butts. All right, for the first part of this backyard remodel, before we can put the concrete in or tear the concrete out, we first have to reroute the entire sprinkler system because it's right where the concrete pad's gonna be. So my neighbor Brad is here tearing up the yard because that's what he likes to do.
Love it.
He's so excited to be here. So basically, we've just dug up the pipes from the valves all the way out here. And we basically need to get them past where the concrete's gonna be so that we can then start a new trench and move our valve box over here. Our new main line needs to run through those stairs and we're gonna rip those stairs out. Now we're just gonna do it sooner. All right, so we've decided that in order to run our main line out of the house here and get it over there, we have to trench this right here. And that means I gotta tear out this concrete. Wasn't gonna do this today, but now I am. Hammer time! So made a couple of new additions to the lawn. So first off, got rid of the pad. That's all. That's just a big hole now. So, got the valves all installed. Now we just need to connect them to the existing sprinkler lines over there through this glorious trench that Brad's been working on. He's very happy about it.
Taylor's been helping a lot.
I've got a shovel. It is concrete day. My buddy Marco and the boys at Cimarron Concrete got it all prepped for us. Look at this. Look at that rebar. Marco, is this the best pad you've ever laid? Will it be?
It's gonna be. It's gonna be.
Progress is slightly held up. Got just a little bit of rain last night. A lot of bit of rain last night. It's okay though, we need the moisture. The moment we've all been waiting for, the cement truck. Yee! Like a kid in a candy store. So this setup is super slick. So basically you have your cement in the cement truck here. It's gonna dump out into this trailer, which is a giant pump that will then pump all the cement through this pipe into the backyard. When I was in high school, we used to do this with wheelbarrows and it was awful. This is gonna be amazing. Sergio, don't get that nice shirt dirty. Flex. Yeah. All right, I really wanted to stay while the concrete was going in, but today DJ and I are coaching Theo and Ollie's soccer team, so I gotta go be a dad. Marco's gonna handle the concrete, and I guess we'll see what it looks like in an hour. Dress the part.
Okay.
Spread out, spread out.
Someone over here.
This way! This way!
Come on, Minos, come on, Minos.
Keep going, keep going! Run, run, run! Go get it, go get it! Get in there!
The other way.
Whoa! Oh! You gotta go, buddy! Yeah!
There's a yellow flag on the way.
Youth soccer is absolute chaos.
Hey, did you bring snacks? There's like 25 kids wanting juice boxes.
We're supposed to do that too.
Shoot.
Whoa! How'd you get that? I'm proud of you, honey.
All right, we're home from soccer. Now it's time to see how the concrete's coming. Ooh, let's check it out, Otto. Oh, yeah. Look at that. How's it coming? Looks good. I like your skis. Ice skating. All right, now we need to pick out a spot to put the kids' handprints in it. So I was thinking either in this corner or the corner by the stairs. Ready, buddy? Stick it down in there. Press it down. There you go. Pull it up there, that's perfect. All right, now do the other one. Your fingers though, nice and flat. That's not bad. All right, now Juno, put yours in one at a time. Move them right there. All right, go for it, Juno. Okay, Juno. There you go, Otto.
Well, kind of.
All right, today me and Heidi are up at Arkins Park picking out what, Heidi?
Rock.
Rock. Our new friend Dominic's here is pointing us around, looking at some giant rocks. So basically what we're trying to do here is find some stones to kind of create a retaining wall in front of the new deck once we build the new deck. A lot of the stuff here is way too big for us to even get into the backyard because our gate's so small. Can we get a helicopter, Dominic? You got a helicopter?
Yeah, we got a helicopter.
Okay, we'll get a helicopter and then we can make it work. I just measured a couple and found that these smaller ones are actually enormous. They're just surrounded by like gigantuan ones. So it's hard, it's like deceiving because these little ones are actually gonna fill up our backyard pretty quick. Yeah, see, that's a good flat one that's longer, which means it's less weight, but more surface area that it could cover. All right, it's rock delivery day. We picked these things in a hurry, so I don't even know exactly what we all got, but here we go. All right, we got all the rocks laid in here. Now I gotta figure out how to use them to make some sort of retaining wall right here. Let's give it a go. This is tricky. This is basically like playing a giant game of Jenga with a lot of irregular pieces. I don't know, it's fun though. I'm starting to get a hang of this thing. Check this out. Yeah. Ah, the wall is finally complete. Huge shout out to Dominic at Arkins, as well as Jordan, the delivery guy that got me these rocks, and Brad, my neighbor, for convincing me to get these rocks. I didn't even know I wanted them, but now, I mean, look at that. That is so cool. Here's the best part. Oh yeah. And now, the moment you've all been waiting for. We lay the lawn. It's getting really tired of raking this flat, so we made ourselves a giant drag. Look at that. It's really a thing of beauty, isn't it, Otto? Isn't that beautiful? What do you think? Isn't that beautiful? Yeah. All right, today is an exciting day because I got my tool belt on.